Another delay in the Berit Beck murder case. Casey Geraldo joins us live in Fond du Lac to explain why a new judge will have to decide the case's future.
Shannon, we had been waiting to find out if the man accused of killing Berit Beck would have a second trial. Now we wait to find out who the judge is who will make that decision.
The court will ask that this matter be assigned to a different judge, who will then address the issues that are still before the court.
It's another wait in a more than 25-year-old case. Berit Beck went missing in 1990 on her way home from a computer class in Appleton. Her van was found 2 days later in Fond du Lac. Her body a month later in Waupun. In 2014, her cold case was reopened, and new DNA testing found matches to truck driver Dennis Brantner in Beck's van. After a hung jury in June, prosecutors want a new trial.
If given the opportunity, we will retry Mr. Brantner.
The defense wants the case thrown out.
If not for him making those comments, he likely would have granted our motion to dismiss, acquitting Mr. Brantner.
Beck's family watched as Judge Gary Sharp took himself off the case after admitting he shared his belief in a reasonable doubt that Brantner killed Beck with jurors and a court employee. While Brantner's attorneys didn't find Sharp's comments biased, the state argued they could show an issue making fair decisions in the case.
Could question this court's impartiality by virtue of the fact that I prematurely expressed an opinion that I was entitled to have.
Now another judge will decide if this case is done or if Dennis Brantner will be tried again for killing Berit Beck. There is no set date for finding out who the new judge will be, but there is a chance that judge will be outside of Fond du Lac County. Live in Fond du Lac, Casey Geraldo, today's TMJ4.
All right, thank you, Casey.